Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out on Perplexity. If you've been stuck trying to find the logout button, you're not alone. I'll show you exactly where it is. So let's get started. Open the Perplexity app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. It's your initial or avatar depending on your device. Now tap on Settings at the top left. Now scroll all the way down. This is the part people usually miss. And at the very bottom, you'll see sign out in red. So tap on that, tap on sign out again to confirm the action, and you will be logged out instantly. So take note the logout button is not at the top, it's hidden at the very bottom of the settings. Now on desktop, it's much quicker. You can go to Perplexity AI in your browser, click your profile icon in the top right corner, a drop down menu will appear, and then just click on sign out, and you're done. Now, if you want to log in again, just click on the settings at the top left and then click on sign in. So choose where you want to sign in and then tap on it. Then click on continue. Choose your account. Tap on continue and you will be signed back in. And that's how you can sign out of Perplexity on mobile and PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.